Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to quickly get rid of puffiness and cortisol face in just 8 minutes. This is my simple morning drainage massage that instantly brings back a fresh sculpted look with absolutely no tools. So, grab your favorite face oil or serum and let's do this massage together in real time. While you're applying the oil, I want to share what I always do right before starting the massage.
You're always asking me how, at almost 33, I look better than I did at 25. The secret is a holistic approach. Massage? Yes, it's great for toning muscles, but for an even tone and wrinkle reduction, you need to work at the cellular level. That's why my step 0 before a massage always starts with the Dreame LED mask. It's made of liquid silicone and fits like a second skin. And best of all, it's completely wireless. So while the 280 LEDs do their work, I can move around freely and do my exercises. I'm prepping my body for the massage. It has 5 modes. Red, which stimulates and smooths wrinkles. Blue, which clears up any breakouts. Green, which calms the skin and the nervous system. Great for meditation. Yellow, which erases dullness after sleepless nights and gives the skin a glow. But my favorite here, of course, is Restore, because it combines all these spectrums, and that's the one I use before starting the massage. So after 10 minutes, the smart timer goes off and the cells are activated. I apply my skincare and start my massage.
The Dreame mask preps your skin beautifully. It helps your favorite products absorb much better and penetrate way deeper.
And yes, skin quality can be faked with injections, and I'm living proof that beautiful skin is the result of consistency and the right technology.
Try combining my massage with the Dreame mask
and you'll be amazed by your reflection in the mirror.
Before we move on to the next step, make sure to add a bit more oil or whatever product you're using for the massage. Apply it to the eye area. The skin here is extremely delicate, so we need a really smooth and easy glide without any tugging. Taking care of your face and body isn't vanity, it's an essential part of your physical and mental health. If you want to make healthy rejuvenation and conscious self-care your new favorite habit, subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.